Hi there. In today's video, we will go through the process of the customer return in the point of sale module. We will first need to access the point of sale module. To do that, please take the following steps. First, open your left navigation menu. Then click the Sale menu option. To submit the customer return, you will first need to submit the sale in this module. We discussed this process in another tutorial. Once you have the sale you'd like to return, press the Customer Return button in the Points of Sale module. In the Open menu, locate the sale you'd like to make the return for. Note that you can search by customer's name or sales number. Open it by pressing the left mouse button. In the Opened Return Sales Lines dialog, you can locate all of the items that have been sold for this particular sale. In order to return the item, locate the Return column and choose the amount of the items the customer wishes to return from the context menu. Note that only valid items are allowed to be selected. For example, already returned items won't be allowed to be selected. Once you're finished, press the OK button. Note that the return item has now been added to the card on the right. At this point, you are able to adjust the return credit by clicking on any of the cart item links and adjust the price or restocking fee. Note that you are also able to combine the return with new item sales as well, by simply searching for the items in the search field. In this example, we will add an item with a lower price that will result in a refund to the customer. To continue, click the Checkout button. Once you reach the Payments area in the checkout, you will notice the balance that is due to the customer as a refund. Choose the convenient payment option to continue with the return process. Once done, press the Submit Sale button in the bottom right corner to complete the sale. That's it for the customer return process in the Point of Sale module. Thanks for watching.